I'm sorry, what was that?
How do we get this started?
We have your number from the survey, which took place in your area a few weeks back, where people refer their friends and neighbors for our alarm system.
Okay, sounds good.
If it's not,
So let me ask you, if we gave you a state-of-the-art wireless home security and automation system with no upfront cost, I'm sure you'd use it, right?
Of course.
23rd.
Hold on just a second, and let me get one of our security specialists on the phone. Is that okay?
Yes.
Thanks for taking part in our security promotion. My name is Alex, and my employee ID is 193. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
Marcelino.
How are you doing today, Marcelino?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I am doing terrific. Thank you very much for asking. Marcelino, what you thinking about security today? Is it because of increasing crime rate, fire, or medical concerns, or you are looking for a better deal in terms of pricing and equipment?
Not really. It's just I like how there's new alarm systems, and I like the noises it makes when you press the buttons.
Okay, and this is the first time are we getting your house protected with an alarm system?
Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. What's your
Okay,
name?
what is the address for the house that we're looking to put an alarm system at, please?
It's 2301 Black Road, Joliet, Illinois 60435.
You said 2301, right? The house number?
Yep.
And what was the street's name?
Black. Like the color black.
Okay, Black Road. Okay. Alright, Black Road, Joliet, Illinois. Alrighty. Let me
Not-
explain to you about the system. It's actually
No,
three
no,
different
no, no, no,
systems
no,
in
no.
one.
No, listen. It's not Juliet. It's Joliet
Uh-huh.
with an O.
Joliet. Yeah, that's fine. Joliet. I'm sorry. I just misspelled it. Alright, it's pronounced it actually. So the system that we're promoting, it's actually three different systems in one. You get security, which is of course in case of any kind of break-ins. Then you get fire alarm that will actually call the fire department in the event of a house fire. And then you get the medical, which is just like life alert. For the doors, for the security, we will be putting magnetic wireless door sensors on your doors leading in and out of your house, just in case if ever anybody tries to pry the door open or kick it in, it will trigger the alarm automatically.
But
And also, as in part of the promotion, we will be. I'm sorry, go on.
it doesn't have those wires because I heard that a few years ago that they could cut the wire and still break into your house. That it needs to have like a so like
This
a
alarm system does not have no wires attached to it.
and there's no way they could get around it.
It comes with wireless technology. No, they cannot. This is actually a tamper-proof system. That's the reason we are promoting it all, because this equipment worth $850 itself to its price. But we are not charging you penny for these equipments, as nothing for installation and activation costs $199, but we have also waived that off of the customers as well, as you guys are taking part in our promotional call. Now, for the second line of defense from inside, we will be offering you an infrared motion sensor, just in case if ever anybody tries to pry the door open or kick it in or try to get in through and any of the windows, it will trigger the alarm automatically.
One more
And
question.
Also, as a part of the promotion, yes, come on.
We have a cute little princess. When she's running all around the house, couldn't she set off the sensor and the alarm?
I'm sorry, what is it?
We have a cute little princess, and if she's running around the house, couldn't she set off the alarm? No,
How old is she?
Well, it is our daughter, but she's our little doggy.
Okay.
It's
a
she's a
pet-friendly device, and
she's
also,
she's a Yorkie with Havanese, and like really a shy dog. But I trained her recently where she barks when people come by the door, because from our old alarm system the service got disconnected because the contract was over.
And we thought we didn't need one.
Yeah, like she's walking around right now. I don't know if you could hear her claws hitting the floor.
okay, all right. Now, this alarm system doesn't go off with any
He
kind of
was like,
text.
okay.
And also, we do give you guys a facility. If you wanted to have it operated with yourself, and you guys can do
I'm gonna
that,
see how far.
you can operate it with your cell phone. Marcelino, do you have somebody else on the deed of the property with you, like your spouse or any of your family member?
Yeah, my wife.
And her name is, please?
Her name's Marcelino Gonzalez.
Can you spell me her first name, Bricia?
Bravo, Romeo, India, Sierra, India, Alpha. By the way, do you offer any military discounts?
Yes, we do. We do offer military discounts. We have always respect for our own military people working out there day and night for protecting us and the whole world and the country, especially us. So we have lots of respect for them. We do salute their services, that what they are carrying out there. And also, like you working in the military or your spouse or both?
Both of us, but we're learning stuff like from the Bible, so we have to contact or cancel our contract with the United States government because Jesus doesn't want us to kill people.
Okay, but you do want to get an alarm system, don't you?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Let me just bring in one of my equipment specialists in the call for us to confirm you the way forward from this point onward, so you
Yeah.
should be more clear about what we are promoting. Just bear with me.
Yeah, because the honest truth,
Hello?
yeah,
Hi, this is Alex. I'm having Marcelino Gonzalez online with me from Illinois. Jolly.
And as soon as you get your system, take a look at it. There's a welcome letter, and there's a tech support number, or you can call the customer service regarding the installation at your convenience.
yeah.
We have a whole department dedicated to scheduling installation, but you already have the equipment. And the street name?
Black,
Black. Okay.
like the color black.
Sorry, I was thrown off. Pardon me?
Yeah, like the color black.
Yeah, okay. And that was street or road?
Road. The news. It was only for a few minutes, but you know.
Yeah. Well, I remember when they did change things where you couldn't receive a TV signal by the traditional, antenna.
Right.
Everything was gone from analog
Right.
to digital.
Like
Well,
you can still
one thing
use
you
a
may want to check out.
you can still use a TV antenna on these HD TVs, and you'll still receive the other type of signals, but there's no more analog. But yeah, you are correct.
Right, you had to buy some kind of adapter or something.
Yeah, that too.
If you had the old one.
Yeah.
Or unless you're using like a direct TV with the dish. Well,
Yeah. Well, here
one thing you may wanna look at-
I'm just happy with the basic channels. I put a regular antenna. I connect it to the back of the HD with no other special devices, and I still get to watch my news and helps me recall my army days and stuff.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I tell you what, they're really gouging with that TV. I mean, it annoys me that they want you to pay for regular networks that we had. That's all we had growing up.
Right.
But
It was like back
you
in
may want to
back-
check with the
it was like back in my day. I remember those good old mason jars, and now they're using these cheap aluminum cans. But there's nothing like a good old mason jar.
Right. No kidding.
Yep, miss those days.
All right. Well, one thing I did want to say, I don't know if the landline is important to you, but like I said, I mean, it can be disabled from the outside.
I still keep it.
And, you know, by cutting lines or even.
Yeah, I know. I still keep the landline because I still get calls from my mommy on it, and I miss her and I live so far from her, so I like when my mommy calls me. You know, sometimes I get emotional and stuff. And,
Yeah.
yeah, but yeah,
Okay.
my apology.
So,
Yeah,
you may want to look.
Yeah, my apologies. I know I'm talking about these other things. I completely forgot that we were doing this alarm thing.
Oh, well, like I said, you can keep your landline, and actually you can keep the same number, and it can actually go through the
Yeah, because I need the calls from my mommy.
internet. Oh, all right. Well, I just want you to keep in mind when checking out this platinum security. Also, yeah, maybe cheaper, but you also want to look and see, you know, how long that price is locked in for. Also.
Yeah, sounds good.
So why don't I do this? Why don't I do this? Why don't I just text you my contact information? I mean, you said you were shopping around and looking at different options, and
Just send your person.
more information.
Hold on. Send your installation person because the other one is using the old technology. I think I need to catch up with the times.
Right. Well, what I was saying is we do require the first month down of monitoring, and we would pre-program your system with all your information.
Nobody get offended, but just my opinion, whatever, how I feel. You know, the man should be out there working, you know, supporting his wife and his children. You know, the wife, you know, she could do whatever and whatever, as long as, you know, moral standards, this and that. You know, you have to have the trust of your wife, and she has to have your trust. You know, you have to make your marriage a priority, and no stupid crap like infidelity, etc., of any form. You know, whether that's watching something on the internet or cheating with something else, someone else. All those things are immorally wrong, super wrong, and you know, Jehovah God doesn't like those things, and us human beings shouldn't like that either. Anyway, jumping off the subject here, just you have to make sure that you love your family a lot. You know, you live and learn. People make mistakes, and because of those mistakes, you know, from so many years ago, I'm still suffering the consequences that I haven't seen my son in the past 3 months, but that's all right. That's what the judicial system is for. You know, my child support is paid on time every month. I have a zero balance as we speak, and I know I'll see my son again soon, and my faith is keeping me strong and it's keeping me going. So just some food for thought, you know, for fathers out there, for mothers, you know, to, you know, if you're married, stay married only once. You know, I've been married already 3 times, twice to my first love, and you know, I'm so glad that we found each other again. You know, life couldn't be any better. She's upstairs again with her sister, my wonderful sister-in-law, and all that. So, yeah, you know, we're in a dilly of a pickle right now, you know, with our finances and stuff. But, you know, I hired the best of the best lawyers. You should know who they are. I believe they're from Illinois, and they help fathers and mothers all around the world. So, pricey. I'm behind on my rent, my car payments, my credit cards, but I love my son, you know. And, the better mom upstairs, you know, she loves him very much too. Jeez, better mom, you took Princess up there too. I'm down here alone, but anyways. I'll leave it at that, America. This is Marcelino Gonzalez II reporting ZZN News.